What's up? It's your girl Nemo and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today, as you might have guessed by the title of the video, I will be dyeing my hair coral, peach, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm going to be dyeing the lengths of my hair. It should be a similar color to what I did last time, which has obviously pretty much faded. There's still just a little bit of pinky peach lingering, but just a little bit. Also, I'm going to do it just a little bit different this time. I'm going to go ahead and take it all the way up to my roots and put it over the silver and just see what happens. The colors I'm going to be using are Peach Fuzz by Good Dye Young and Peachy Coral by Crazy Color. I have already gone ahead and combined these two. I will say there's probably 2/3 Peachy Coral and 1/3 Peach Fuzz. I didn't measure them out, I just eyeballed it, but that's about the ratio I used. And this is the color it came out to. The Peach Fuzz is a lot more on the orange side and the Peachy Coral is a lot more on the pink side. So I figure if I combine the two to make kind of something in between, it might look pretty good. Plus, I've used both of these in my Dye vs. Dye series. It's been proven to fade pretty easily after a few washes in hot water. So there's that too. So yeah, it's a nice consistency. Smells great. Hopefully I have enough because I am pretty much out of both of these dyes and I wouldn't be able to replicate the same color anyway because I'm definitely out of Peach Fuzz and I think I might have just a little bit of the other one left. It's been a while since I've put it on this much hair because obviously lately I've just been doing the ends of my hair, which is from here down. There's a good 4 or 5 inches up here. I'm gonna go ahead and get some gloves on, section my hair a little bit, and get started.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
Alright, got it all applied. I'm a proper egghead and you know what comes next. You know the drill. I'm gonna let this sit for 1 hour and rinse in cold water and show you the results. I am really curious if this is going to take to my grays or not. I know you can get color to take more easily to grays, like if you do a bleach bath, but because I still have so much dark hair as well, I'm really more like a salt and pepper. Definitely don't want to do that. Trying to see my natural hair color for what it is and accept it, and it's getting really hard, and it's getting really hard not to bleach and just color over it. But it could be cool. It could have like kind of like an ombre effect if it does take the peach, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll be right back to show you the results. Okay, editing me here, popping in to apologize in advance for this really shitty lighting coming up in the next clip. Yeah, I mentioned it and it was way worse than I thought it was gonna be. I'll put like a filter or something over it like pretty quickly after it starts, but I wanted you to see what it looked like without a filter, but I am gonna put a filter on just to hopefully make it look more better, because as you're gonna see here in just a second, it's pretty bad. Alright, here it is, and hopefully the lighting's not too weird. It's early in the morning, it's the next day, and I'm fixing to go to town, so I had to do this now. So it's gonna have to be later in a hotel room with even worse lighting, I'm sure. But yeah, here it is, and I like it. I kind of wasn't sure how I felt about it last night. It kind of looked a bit darker to me, but this morning after straightening it, morning voice. But this morning after straightening it, I do actually like how it looks. It didn't take to the gray as well as I would have hoped. It did kind of take, I feel like, more better over here because I feel like it just blends in better on this side, and then here it's more obviously white towards the roots. Not really sure why that is. I thought I saturated it pretty well, even closer to the roots, but maybe not. Let me show you the back. It is still kind of darker than I was expecting. I would have liked it to be more of a pastel, but I'm sure it'll only take like 1 or 2 washes to get to where I was kind of hoping it would go, so that's all right. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and it's a free way to support my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, love, God bless.